Okay, here are the instructions to install TeamViewer, remote control software. From any browser, type in TeamViewer.com, enter. Okay, you have to accept the cookies and click on download for free. Okay, TeamViewer will start downloading. Doesn't take long. Once you see TeamViewer setup exe, just go ahead and click on that. And you want to select custom installation down here, person. Accept, finish. Okay, then TeamViewer will start installing. This takes about 15-20 seconds. Just allow that to run through. Okay, the installation, you'll see this box. Simply cancel that. And at this point, the technician will require your ID. Once he puts that in, he'll ask for your password, and then the technician will be able to remote in and help you with your setup. Thank you.